Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain the direction of magnetic field at the center of circular current loop. So, what is the direction of magnetic field at the center of circular current loop? And student, I have already derived the formula of magnetic field at the axis of circular current loop, and with this formula we have already find, and which is equal to B equal to mu naught by 2 I r square by x square plus r square whole to the power 3 by 2. And student, if this circular current loop contains a n turns, then in this formula we multiply n times. So formula comes out to be that B equal to mu naught by 2 n I r square by x square plus r square whole to the power 3 by 2. And also I have derived the formula magnetic field at the center of circular current loop, and putting the value of x in this equation, that is what, 0, and magnetic field at the center of circular current loop, which is obtained mu naught by 2 I by r. And student, if loop contains n number of turns of a coil, then magnetic field which is at the center of circular current loop becomes mu naught by 2 n I by r. Now student, magnetic field on the axis of circular current loop, which is B equal to mu naught by 2 I r square by x square plus r square whole power 3 by 2. It means what? This circular current loop produces a magnetic field on its axis. So, this current loop produces a magnetic field. It means this circular current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole, and it has a north pole as well as south pole. And you know that bar magnet is also known as what? Magnetic dipole, because it has north pole and south pole, and it produces a magnetic field patterns lines also. Magnetic needle also called a what? Also have a north pole and south pole, so it is also called a magnetic dipole. So in this way, circular current loop that will be produce a magnetic field on its axis or its center. So every circular current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole, and it has both north pole as well as south pole. And polarity of circular current loop can be obtained by the clock rule. So student, with the help of clock rule, we can find the polarity of circular current loop, in which phase of the circular current loop behaves like a what? North pole, and which phase of the circular current loop behaves like a north pole. So student, see the diagram here, clock rule to find the polarity of south or north pole in a circular current loop. So here student, see, there will be a current is flowing into the circular loop, that is what? Clockwise direction. If the current is flowing into the circular current loop, that is what? Clockwise direction. The phase towards you, the phase towards reader, that is what? South, and behind that is what? North. Similarly, if the current flowing into the circular current loop, that is what? Anti-clockwise direction. See the diagram carefully. Current flowing in this circular loop, that is what? Anti-clockwise direction. So student, the phase towards you, that is what? North, and behind that of this, that is what? South. So in general we can say that if current flowing into the circular current loop clockwise, so phase towards you or phase towards reader, that is what? South, and behind of this, that is what? North. And if current flowing into the circular current loop, that is what? Anti-clockwise direction, the phase towards you, that is what? North, and behind that is what? South. So, and also you know that magnetic field lines outside of the bar magnet, move from what? North to south, but inside it will enter from south to north. You know that in class 10th. So magnetic field outside of the bar magnet or current carrying conductor or solenoid or in case of a solenoid, the direction of the magnetic field lines outside of the bar magnet or solenoid from north to south, but inside they will enter from south to north. So student, we have drawn here a circular current loop in the plane of horizontal plane, and current flowing in this circular current loop, that is what, I, and which is anti-clockwise direction. So current flowing into this circular current loop in anti-clockwise direction, that is what, it means the face upward face here, that is what, if current flowing into this circular current loop, that is what, anti-clockwise direction, it means this face, that is what, north, and below that is what, south. And you know that magnetic field lines is what, enters from south and emerge from what, north. So magnetic field patterns lines due to circular current loop which is current flowing in anti-clockwise direction is shown in this diagram. And student, near the circular current loop, near magnetic field patterns lines near the wire of a circular current loop, that is what, concentric circle, as we move away from the wire, and this curvature, that is what, increases, and at the center of the circular current loop magnetic field remain uniform, and direction of this magnetic field patterns lines are perpendicular to the plane containing circular current loop. Now I am going to explain how you will find the direction of magnetic field at the center of the circular current. We use right hand thumb rule. And student, if the current is flowing, listen carefully, how you will find the direction of magnetic field at the center of circular current loop. We have to find the right hand thumb rule. And student, if your palm of a right hand thumb are folded in such a way that, or in other words you can say that, if you fold your right hand finger in the direction of the flow of the current, it means what, finger show the flow of the current through a circular current loop, then thumb will point the direction of the magnetic field. So student, here if current is flowing into the circular current loop, that is what, anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction, it means what, here current is flowing into this circular loop, that is what, anti-clockwise direction. Then magnetic field at the point of the center of a circular current loop, that is what, directly upward. And reverse of this, if current is flowing in this circular current loop is what, clockwise direction. If current is flowing in this circular current loop clockwise direction, then again you use right hand thumb rule. This curling finger of right hand show the direction of flow of current into the circular current loop, and thumb will point the direction of magnetic field which is vertically downward perpendicular to the plane of the circular loop. So here, if the current is flowing into the circular current loop, that is what, clockwise direction, so magnetic field at the center of circular current loop is vertically downward. And if the current is flowing into the circular current loop in anti-clockwise direction, so magnetic field at the point of the center of the circular current loop is acted vertically outward or directed outward or perpendicular to the plane of the circular current loop, and which is acting in the upward direction.